name is Kamil Abdullin, and I will tell about my paper with a big opportunity. We all have a big problem. We always waste of time. We postpone our dream in a box with rubbish. And I have a solution. It is declaration. Declaration it is a paper with your purposes. You must do them and do your best to achieve them. Content of declaration. Our educator offered to write declaration before summer holiday. We accepted, but we didn't know what it was. Content of declaration. It is your full name, date, your purposes, your punishment, and your signature. You must choose purposes that can be checked. I wrote 2 written books, to able to pull up 10 times, to learn in the late table, and to knit. My punishment was, if I don't do my declaration, I will explain subject to students who don't study well. Examples of punishment: to be duty for whole month, to give your next pros and cons. Pros: if you reach your purposes, you are given a gift. And cons: if you don't reach your purposes, you have to get punishment. I have done my declaration, and my gift was to tie clip and going to cafe. According to the statistics, how many purposes were done? They have done all, 80% done nothing, and they have done 1, 2, or 3 purposes. Also, which purposes did we follow when we wrote declaration? 15% wrote to learn a new skill. For example, how to assemble a Rubik's Cube, to drive a car, etc. 45 wrote physical improvements, this to able to pull up, push up, and run, and other creative improvements, to drive a friend, to draw a friend, to able to play guitar or piano. In conclusion, I want to tell these words. Many people have a dream that can be executed before the end of the week, but they do it from it a lifelong dream. Thank you for your attention.